In this guide, we are going over Animal Hospital Anomaly, Roblox tips for easy, fast wins for beginners. This is everything you need to know. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when the game starts, the first thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself some coffee. So take the coffee, grab it right here. It's got 3 uses. Go ahead and use it to refill your energy and begin the cooldown early. Now, the first shift is really only a tutorial, so there's not going to be any anomalies really in the first shift. So focus on preparing each patient's data. To do this, you can go ahead and walk over here, stamp these forms, take the photo. You're going to want to inspect the photo, and this is really how you check the anomalies later. And you could shake to get this to load a little bit faster. Register it, and then of course print the base right here. You can grab this and then you can give it to them just like so. This monitor right here is going to show you how many more patients you have for the day. When the monitor flickers and no more clients arrive, you can finish treating every single patient inside. So go ahead and get this down to 0. Looks like this guy's normal. Register him, and then of course print that badge. Give him the badge, and once this goes away and it's flickering those lights, that's when you want to go through and you want to go treat these patients that you have in here. So make your way to the rooms that they're in. For example, right here, you're going to have your patient. You need to take the DNA sample right here. And you need to check for anomalies. Patients with like large black eyes are going to have anomalies associated with them. Looks like these guys are all good right here. If they have hunch posture or any strange twitching movements, they should just be rejected by closing the window itself when you're checking them in. To do that, you simply need to go ahead and select this little button right here, interact with it. When there's a patient here, and it'll close all this stuff, but obviously we have patients checked in right now, so that's not going to pop up. If an anomaly ever knocks on the glass, scold it before closing the window. This is going to drain energy, so make sure that you do keep your energy full with this coffee right here. And also check every single client through the CCTV over here. The cams are currently offline right now just because we're on shift 1, but usually it'll be on. That's where you can go ahead and check to make sure that these guys aren't doing any wacky stuff right here. So it's going to process these results now. Obviously, these guys are going to be safe, but later on, it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to tell you what you need as well. So you can go over here, you can collect the herbs, right? And you can go ahead and give it to them to fix them all up. Let's see, this guy needs some eye drops. So let's go ahead and get him some eye drops. And you'll kind of memorize what some of these guys need later on as well, which is super convenient. But that really is the entire process. Oh, if a rat ever comes around as well, it is safe, but you do need to inspect it. If the eye monster appears above you, go ahead and keep the camera aimed downward so you're not looking at the eye monster ever. You don't want to deal with that. But the process really is that simple. Also, if a client does collapse on you ever after processing, move them into a room immediately. Otherwise, they may die, and you don't want that going on. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.